We want to know when the tunnel will be finished when everybody is working, or when all of the machines are working together. So X represents working together time. Machine number 1 can bore one tunnel in 4 years. Machine number 2 can bore one tunnel in 3 years. And remember, we are looking for one tunnel when they both work together. Since that's our equation, we know that our least common denominator is 12x. When you distribute 12x to everything inside the brackets, you get 3x plus 4x equals 12. When you solve this simple equation, you are going to get x to equal 12 over 7. But remember, we need to change this as a mixed number so we can understand the unit of time. So it will take them 1 5/7 of a year to complete the boring of the tunnel. Let's look at the next one. So for this, remember, we are looking for how long it will take each pipe. There's 2 pipes. There's a main pipe, and then there's a secondary pipe. We're going to let the main pipe be X, and remember, the main pipe is 10 minutes faster, less time for the main pipe, which means the secondary pipe is going to be X plus 10. So we are going to have one water tank for the main pipe plus the same tank for the slower secondary pipe, and that tank is going to be filled by both of them in 12 minutes. So our LCD is going to be all of these denominators multiplied together. 12 times x plus 10. When I distribute to the first fraction, the x's are going to cancel out. It's going to be 12 times x plus 10. I'm going to go ahead and distribute. For the second fraction, the x plus 10 is going to cancel out. That's just going to leave a 12x. On the other side of the equal sign, the 12s are going to cancel out, which means it's going to be x times x plus 10. And we're going to distribute to get x squared plus 10x. Since we have x squared, this equation must be set equal to 0. X squared is on the right side of my equal sign, so 0 is going to be on the left side, which means I'm going to copy what was already over here, but now I'm going to rewrite everything that was on the left side over here. Don't forget to change the signs. Negative 12x minus 10 minus 12x. Oops, and that was supposed to be a 120 here. Let me fix that. When we combine like terms, we get 0 equals x squared minus 14x minus 120. This factors to x minus 20, x plus 6, which means x is going to equal a positive 20 and a negative 6. Notice this is extraneous. You cannot have a negative rate. So 20 is our good answer. So it will take the main pipe 20 minutes. Remember, the secondary pipe is 10 minutes slower. So the secondary pipe is 30 minutes. Looking at the very last one, there's 3 things that is happening. 2 inlet pipes where the water or where the oil is pumping in the tank, and then 1 outlet pipe where the oil is emptying away from the tank. The question asks how long it will take to fill with all 3 pipes open. So X is going to represent time worked together when all of the pipes are open and functioning. So the first pipe, the first inlet pipe, can fill the tank in 12 hours. The other inlet pipe can fill the tank in 20 hours. But remember, someone left the drain open. It's emptying at the same time. So we have to subtract that tank that's being emptied in 10 hours. And remember, we want to know how long it takes when they are all working together. So the least common denominator for all of this is going to be 60x. 60x divided by 12 is 5x. 60x divided by 20 is 3x. 60x divided by 10 is 6x, but don't forget to write the minus sign. The x's are going to cancel out on the other side. That's just going to leave 60. When you simplify this equation, you are going to just get 2x to equal 60, which means x equals 30, which means it will take 30 hours to fill the tank.